read something interesting yesterday that you hear all this wind noise right now. Just because there is no isolation behind on the microphone from the wind protection, at least on this camera. On a real camera, there's usually an external port that you can plug in a different, like a real microphone, and you can put on a wind blocking sock or wind reduction sock. But since I'm using more of a GoPro style camera where it's just a little pinhole at the top, don't have that. So what I heard was, or at least read, probably heard too because it is on YouTube, I can put a band-aid over top the microphone and the bandage will actually mitigate some of the wind noise, which is great, and I think I should try it. I forgot to put it on last night. Just a piece of band-aid over top. So hopefully next time I do a skiing or outdoor activity video, it will be a lot more enjoyable to watch because there will be more real sound.